Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to share my crafty dares for this week and last week. I'm doing them every other week. It's just easier for me, I find. Um, so if you're not familiar with Crafty Dares, it's a Instagram group that I'm in. We dare each other every week to use 3 items off our list. Well, you have to use all 3 items on the list in a project that we're making. So um, I have really enjoyed this group. This group has, made me create and sometimes out of my norm, which is, you know, awesome. So this week we were to use a metal, a bird, and the color pink. Okay, so I have these um, teeny tiny, oh, what do you call them? Stamped and die cut images that I don't know if I did a video on these. I think I did. It was probably during Christmas or after Christmas. I had bought the Crafter Companion Advent Calendar where you open up each day in the month of December. I think I saw um, Susan Tootsie Tucker. I think that's her name. She showed this in one of her videos, and she was doing them every day, and I thought that was really cute. And I love the images that she was sharing, and then there's words, and you get the matching dies with them. So not only do you get these teeny tiny stamped images, you get the dies to go with it, which I thought was awesome. So see here I have the birdhouse, and I'm not sure if I have another bird. I think I used the one and only bird, but it comes with all kinds of different, like, look at this. Hopefully I can show you. Look at this little macaroon, or it looks like donuts. I think it's donuts. It's donuts, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Ah! Let me see if I can share that with you. There it is. Isn't that adorable? And it stamps so well, and die cuts as well too. So I was going through it and I saw that bird cage, and not bird cage, but the bird house. And I think I have I think I have another birdie somewhere in this pile. And I said, perfect, I'm going to use it. So I made a simple ATC card that I use papers from Bo Bunny. I think it's the Cottontail collection here. And I colored the images with my Copics. If you can see there, there you go. Here's my metal piece. It's a bulb pin and a charm and a eyelet, a metal white eyelet. Some pearls at the top here. This is a die cut from a die set, not a die set, but a die cut set from my stash, and I don't even know. I think I probably got this at Tuesday morning. And I had it next to me, and I said, let me use it. I added this little flower. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it. That is also from my stash. I have a ton of these little bags of, flowers and leaves from island scrapbooking. I think some of my friends in Hawaii, and also my sister, when she was living in Hawaii, gifted me some of these. So I used one of them, and it's like a really glittery flower. So I really like how that turned out. And then the week before that, oh shoot, where did it go? We were to use spring theme, ribbon, and pastel colors. So I think of spring, I think of Easter. So I made this basket out of a sheet from this paper pad. I used a tutorial from Jen, who is Strawberry 39, I think, here on YouTube and on Instagram. And she shared how to make this simple, cute, adorable little basket. And I think one of my crafty friends, she put, one of these bunnies, I think she sized them down to fit, and she added it to this basket. But anyway, so that was my spring theme. My ribbon is these ribbon bows that I do with my fingers. I don't know if I can do a good tutorial on how to do them, but if you want, you could. I might do one. I don't know. But they're so simple, and I know I say it's simple because I know how to do it, but it's not bad. And I know there's other other tools to make bows, but I find this as quickly, because I have a ribbon maker or a bow maker, and I have to take it out, and whereas this, I just use my two fingers and I make it really, really quick. Add a little button, and I think it's just adorable. And you can add little candies, or I wish my kids were in elementary school. This would be so cute for classmates for Easter. You know, I could whip these out in no time at all. Or you could put this on your Easter dinner, table as name tags, nameplates on your Easter table. So I think that would be really cute, and have little Easter eggs in them, and I think it's just a little cute little favor box basket. And I'll have Jen's tutorial down below for everybody if you're interested in following. Really, really simple. I made several of them. Here's another one that just kind of houses some of my glass, what do you call these things? Glass jars. And I think I've seen somebody add things to these and make them as charms, on journals and stuff, which is such a cool idea. I might do that one day. So though this is my 2 crafty dares from this week and last week, I hope everybody stops by Crafty Dares on Instagram. And if you're interested in joining our little group, please contact Tina, who's Tell Him Thank You, on Instagram. So you have to be on Instagram in order to participate. But it's a really awesome group to be in. The ladies are very supportive. Tina is a great host, and yeah. So I'll link that down below as well, so everybody can come and check us out and see what the other ladies have done this week and last week as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.